Try this again. The dog got to jumping. So, haven't really seen much of this since New York. Kind of interesting. No power whatsoever. There's the shop. Boom. There's my forge. That's top of the well. I figure we probably have a little bit of ice up underneath this here foot of snow. Once again, I wasn't expecting it to be this bad. And Cheyenne, it's her first time in a power, well, first time she remembers being in a power outage. And she kept asking me to fix the TV. Daddy, you fix. Daddy, you fix. Well, kind of wish I could. Looks like we'll have to break out the generator now. So, alright guys, y'all stay safe, stay warm, and I guess I'll talk at you whenever we get the power back on. You have a great day. Bye-bye.